Hi everybody, if you're new to the channel, click on subscribe, click like if you're liking the video. So we're driving towards a roundabout to go ahead in the left lane. You can see the arrows on the ground, left goes ahead and the right lane goes to the right only. And I noticed in the rear view mirror this car go in the right lane and then indicate late to come back in, just to be a bit cheeky, try to overtake people. And this car behind him doing the same thing also. So I'm telling my student at this point, be careful, this car behind you, he's probably going to overtake you when he can. Because we're building our speed up on a 60-mile-an-hour road, building up our speed up all the time. Now you can see on the front camera here, even though he overtakes us, there's a left bend all the time, so you can't see too far ahead of you. And then there's a car following him now. So they pulled out two cars there to overtake, and straight away two cars coming towards him. Now what you don't see is the cars bibbing the horns at him, and then this is one pulls straight back in to avoid the two cars, straight back out, and all the time it's a left bend, starting to straighten up a little bit, but we're doing about I don't know, about 50, but I'm saying to my students, overtaking you, just come off the gas while they're going past you. So why do you think they're overtaking? Why do you think all four cars are racing through there? I mean, do they all know each other? They're all in a race or something? You give an explanation, comment below why you think there was being so dangerous, because that second car nearly had an accident. Okay then, thank you and safe driving everybody.